Time to wake up to wellness with this amazing wellness set. A couple of your favorites. I can't wait to tell you all about them. First, we have included our total greens. Definitely encourage you to eat fruits and vegetables, especially during this holiday season. However, if you can't or you need a little extra help, our total greens is the perfect solution for that. Our collagen key is the perfect connection to our hair, skin, and nails. Really helps to supplement that.
And
Tastes
delicious.
Amazing. Tastes amazing. We've also included our vegan protein, brand new to our MONAT Wellness line. We launched it in September at Monations. Tastes great.
Our first holiday and Black Friday season set with MONAT protein.
It's a plant-based protein that tastes absolutely amazing and is super smooth. You can combo any of these powders together to create your own customized shake. And then we've also included our immune support because of any time of year, we definitely need to stay healthy during the holiday season. But that's not all.
I know we have something very special here. For the first time ever, we have the MONAT Blend Jet 2. You can see this is the Blend Jet that we know and love, but
that's right,
perfectly made for MONAT, of course, with our MONAT branded logo. And this is for on the go. This is actually with a USB, even comes with a USB type of charger. You can unplug it. See, it's wireless right now. And I can put it in my gym bag. It's ready to go with me anywhere I'm going. Super easy to turn on, quick.
And it blends really well. Like, it blends really well.
And I love what you said, Kelly, about mixing and matching. I could take all of my wellness products in this, a special smoothie that I could make, and so many different options to create in this great little blender.
And that's right. And when you're taking your lunch on the go, we have this really beautiful insulated lunch bag.
Very stylish.
It's very stylish. Of course, that's the way we do it here at MONAT. And of course, it's large too. It will carry a good amount of food. So you can be waking up to wellness and taking your wellness with you everywhere